In every corner of my household that is likely to have mold, I make sure I place the interior dehumidifier at every corner. I started by placing it at my kitchen window, which is prone to having mold. Then I proceeded to my very own bathroom that is always wet, so moist here is very common. Then my children's bathroom, which already have mold, and this is going to do the job. Placing the dehumidifier here is going to stop the mold from growing. It's winter, everywhere is cold, wet, so we are prone to having these in our houses. So I advise you to get this and do the same at your home. You'll be surprised how much water this will drain in your home.